Express yourself. Express yourself.
Hey guys, welcome to the Urban Canteen. My name's Paul, and today in the kitchen we have got some serious burger ass kickery going on. Okay, today in the kitchen guys, we are doing a Fajita Spice turkey burger with a lime and chilli smashed avocado and a marinated sliced tomato to go on top that acts like a kind of relish. Super tasty. We're using lean turkey mince, so high in protein. We've got some healthy fats in the avocado, we've got some carbohydrates in the bun. So let's get cracking. So first things first, we're going to get on with the sliced tomato. So yeah, all we're going to do, we're going to slice up one tomato. Okay, so that's done. Not super thin, just however you like it. We're going to pop that in a little bowl. Then we're going to put in just a pinch of cinnamon. Kind of maybe half a teaspoon. A capful, so again maybe about a teaspoon of, I've got cider vinegar. You can use a white wine vinegar, even a balsamic vinegar if you want. Next we're going to put in, again we're just going to pick some coriander here. We're going to cut this up. Again, doesn't have to be super fine. Rustic, bit chunky, that's what we like. In that goes. And then I'm just going to give it a little mix around and just make sure the coriander and the cinnamon and the vinegar's kind of coating all the sliced tomatoes. And then just going to let it sit there and kind of marinate in these flavours while we get on with the rest of the stuff. So next up we're getting our turkey mince. I've got 500 grams of lean turkey mince. Into that we're going to chuck one small red onion. All we're going to do is finely chop that, as finely as you can get it. Next, once the onion's in there, we're going to put a little bit more coriander, kind of handful. Again, you're going to roughly chop that, and then next into that we're going to chuck our Fajita Spice. You can get in little packs of 35 grams, and that's absolutely perfect for 500 grams of the turkey mince. So yeah, 35 grams of Fajita Spice into the turkey mix, and it's time to get your hands dirty. Okay, so as you can see, I've got about 4 out of this mix. 3 is seriously bad boy, let's go for it kind of Friday night burger. 4 is kind of a nice size, like I said, they're about 4-ounce burger. As you can see, I'm just rolling it into a ball, flatten it down with my hand. No need for a fancy burger press, who needs one of them? Pat it down, you've got yourself a burger. Happy days, nice and easy. Right, let's get ourselves washed, get them in the pan. Hey guys, so we've got the pan on now, we've got it on a moderate to high heat. We're going to chuck in these burgers, seal in 1 to 2 minutes either side. I'll seal in the flavour, then we're going to bang them in the oven on 175 to 180 degrees C, and they're going to go in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so in they go. The burgers will hold their shape quite nicely. You don't need to add any egg or breadcrumbs or anything like that to bind them. And then in they go. Nice little sizzle. Okay, as I'm not that greedy, I'm not going to do all of them right now. Okay, so just give them a little press. You want to get some nice colour on them.
Express yourself.
Okay, and then when we've got that nice colour, all we're going to do, slide them, flip them over, happy days. Okay, so once they've had a couple minutes either side, all we're going to do, in a tray, as you can see they hold the shape really well. Time to chuck them in the oven. Okay guys, so while they're cooking in the oven, we're going to get on with our smashed avocado. So obviously all we're going to do is cut the avocado in half, like so. Please be careful not to slice your hand off. Give it a little twist. Open it up. Take the stone out, just tap a knife gently into it and remove it. Again, please be careful not to cut all your fingers off. Okay, so because we're going to smash this avocado up, doesn't really matter how it comes out, so we're going to get a little bowl. what I like to do to save time is just do some little zigzag crosses across here. So you go one way, like so, then we go the other. Again, be very careful not to slice through the avocado into your hand. And as you can see, it's all broken up into little squares. You can scoop that out, and it's done. We'll do the same with the other one. Once we've done that, we're going to put in, this is up to you, depends how fiery you are. We're going to put in a little bit of chilli. This is dry chili flakes. You can use fresh if you want. Again, it's kind of always handy to have in the cupboard, spice things up. And then we're going to take the zest and the juice of our lime. I'm going to use a bog standard grater because most people don't have microplanes. So I'm going to do what most of you do. We're going to use it on a grater. So yeah, we just want to take off some zest. When we've taken all the zest off that one lime, that can go into our avocado as well. Lovely jubbly. Give the lime a little roll, get those juices flowing. And we're just going to split it in half, and then goes the lime as well. You can do both halves in there. I'm going to toast my brioche buns in here. Nothing like some toasted buns. You don't have to. I really love that charred taste in a burger, so you can either char your burgers on there if you really want to. Toasting the buns on there gives it a really nice taste. Again, not a necessity, you really don't have to. Right, so while they're in the oven, we've got the avo mix made, we've got the tomatoes made. It's time to toast our buns. So I've got a little griddle pan on the heat. I'm literally just going to put these brioche buns down. Okay, so let's get these buns off. Looking delicious. Okay, time to get dressing. Firstly, on goes our smashed avocado. Next, our burgers, so let's go and grab them from the oven. Okay, so here we have them, some delicious looking turkey burgers. They were in for exactly 15 minutes and they've come out absolutely perfect. So all we're going to do is pop, look at that lovely colour. We're going to pop one of them on. Oh my lord, guys, these are smelling ridiculous. So good. On that goes. Now we're going to put on some of our sliced tomatoes that have been marinating in the coriander and cinnamon, which smells ridiculously good as well. Let's get them on. Then if you want a bit of bunny food, bit of rocket I've got here, again optional. It's all about their micronutrients, you've got to get them in when you can. And then we're going to top it with our brioche bun. How about that? Oh my god. So we've got Fajita Spice turkey burgers with a lime and chili smashed avocado, cinnamon marinated sliced tomatoes on a toasted brioche bun. Smells so good. It's definitely one to try, guys. If you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, The Urban Canteen, so you don't miss out on any more tasty, banging recipes. If you want to get social with me, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, all at The Urban Canteen. And then for more recipe inspiration, teeth in, you can get me at www.theurbancanteen.com, where you will see meal plans, you will see recipe videos, you'll see recipes and a whole lot more. Till next time, guys, thanks very much. Take it easy.